How much do you really save on a for sale by owner? Real estate truths that you need to know. So you're thinking that in today's market, it's really tempting to go out there and sell your home on your own. Homes just fly off the market. You're going to get multiple bids and you're going to have all this dough and be saving on all of that juicy commission, right? Not so fast. Hi, I'm Claudia at Homes with Claudia, brokered by eXp Realty. You can also find us on Healthy Home Network. See the link below. Before you go out and sell your home on your own, did you know that in 2023, according to the National Association of Realtors, that those homes that were sold by a realtor yielded more money than those that were sold on their own? Yes, that's true. 7% of all homes last year were sold as a for sale by owner. And those sold by owners yielded, on average, $310,000 versus $405,000 when they were real estate agent assisted. So not only would you have yielded more money when you sold your home with a realtor, but it would have more than absorbed the commission. So if you're thinking about selling your home on your own, good for you. I have a book that I'd like to share with you. Please contact me in the comments below and I'll be happy to send it to you. And if you are successful in selling your home on your own, congratulations. If you would like to still talk to me after you've read the book, or maybe you're kind of in the middle of selling it on your own and would like some tips and assistance, you know how to reach me. I'm Claudia at Homes with Claudia, brokered by eXp Realty. And remember, who you work with matters. Good luck and happy selling.